Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to disable safe mode on Android. And here's how it is done. Just press and hold the power button on your phone. Tap restart when the power menu appears. Wait for your phone to reboot normally. Check if safe mode is off. You won't see safe mode text in the corner. Here is another way. Turn off your phone completely by holding the power button and tapping power off. Wait for 30 seconds. Turn it back on by pressing the power button. Safe mode should now be off. And that's it. Now you know how to disable safe mode on Android. Fast, easy, and way less scary than it sounds. Whether you are troubleshooting stubborn apps or just making sure your phone is running smooth again, these tips help get you back to normal without the hassle. If this helps, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more tech tips that make your phone smarter and less confusing. Got questions or weird phone behavior you want decoded? Drop it in the comments. We hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.